Dear students, in this session we'll discuss 1 mark examples on probability. So let us begin this concept. So first example is, if a probability of a is 7 by 13, probability of a B is 9 by 13, and probability of a intersection B is equal to 4 by 13, then evaluate probability of A by B. So first I write a formula. It is a probability of A divided by B. So the formula is probability of A divided by is taken as an intersection. So I have written A intersection B, and here second quantity is B, so that we have to divide it. So probability of a B. So remember this one. Sometimes E by F it will come. So you have to remember in this way. Further, probability of a intersection B, it is a 4 by 13 it is. And the probability of a B is, it is a 9 by 13. Then the denominator 13 get cancels. We are going to get it as a 4 divided by 9. It is 4 divided by 9. So it is the probability of, it is a divided by B. So probability of A divided by B is 4 by 9 it is. So similarly, we'll move to a next example. The question is, if F is an event of a sample space S of an experiment, then find probability of S divided by F. So it is probability of S divided by F is equal to, I told you, so division we have to take it as a intersection. So we get a probability of a S intersection F. Second quantity is F, so it is taken as a probability of a F here. So it is a denominator and numerator, it will become a same, so get cancels. We can write this as a 1. Okay, so one more example we will discuss it. For example, here example number 3, probability of A is equal to 3 divided by 5. Probability of a B equal to, it is a 1 divided by 5. Find probability of A intersection B, A intersection of B, if events A and B are independent. It is a independent. So this is a question. Then so first I write a formula, related formula. If the two events A and B are independent, you know the formula. It is already you have studied, A intersection B. Then intersection is taken as a multiplication. When we have to use it, when A and B are independent events, then it is probability of A into probability of B it is. So probability of A is, it is a 3 divided by 5 into probability of a B is 1 divided by 5. So further simplify it, there is no cancellation, so multiply numerator with a numerator, so 3 divided by, and denominator with a denominator, 25. So this is probability of A intersection B when A and B are independent events. So next, one more example will solve it. If probability of E equal to 0.6, probability of F equal to, it is a 0.3, probability of E intersection F is equal to 0.2, then find probability of F divided by E we have to calculate here. So solution for this is, so first I write a formula. It is a probability of F divided by E. Then division we have to take it as an intersection, probability of F intersection E. Then second quantity is E, that we have to divide it, probability of E here. Then intersection is 0.2. Then probability of E, it is a given 0.6. Then we can write this as, cancel a point, we get a 2 by 6. Further simplification, we can write it as a 1 divided by 3. So this is a required simplification. In this 1 mark example on probability, you may get the formula probability of F divided by E. Depending on this, you may get an example, or else you may get a and B are independent. Then you have to calculate one of a probability or intersection. So similar type of examples from a textbook. Try it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you once again.